Look how fucking bad this shit is. It's getting worse. What the hell? Oh my god.
Look how freaking bad this stuff is, you guys. This is not good. I mean, sure, the trees look like they're not moving, but trust me, once it starts picking up, it's gonna go nuts. Just watch. You'll see what I mean. It'll pick up. Just gotta give it a little time and it will. If this kind of crap continues, then work might get canceled. I don't know. But take a look how bad this is. You can see the wind on the road right there. You can see the trees are rustling, I think is what it's called. I know, it would be crazy for anybody to go out in this weather. Anybody that comes out in this kind of weather better be prepared for what might happen. This does not look good now, does it?